Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future tech tutorials. Today, we're diving into a very common issue that many of us face: program installation errors. Whether you're installing a new application or updating an existing one, these errors can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I've got you covered with detailed solutions to tackle these issues head-on. Let's get started. First, let's understand what program installation errors are. These errors can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as corrupt installation files, insufficient disk space, incompatible software, or even missing system requirements. Some common error messages you might encounter include Error 1603. A fatal error occurred during installation. Installation failed, or setup cannot continue. Understanding the root cause is the first step towards fixing these errors. Step 1. Check system requirements. Step 1 is to check the system requirements of the program you're trying to install. This might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Ensure your computer meets the minimum requirements listed by the software manufacturer. You can usually find this information on the software's official website. Make sure you have enough RAM, the right operating system version, and sufficient disk space. If your system doesn't meet these requirements, you'll need to upgrade your hardware or look for a compatible version of the software. Step 2. Free up disk space. Step 2 is to free up disk space. Insufficient disk space is a common cause of installation errors. To check your disk space, go to This PC or My Computer and see how much free space you have on your primary drive. To free up space, you can delete unnecessary files, uninstall unused programs, or use disk cleanup tools. Remember to empty your recycle bin too. Step 3. Run as administrator. Sometimes, installation errors occur due to insufficient permissions. Right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator. This can give the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system. If you're still encountering issues, try disabling your antivirus temporarily, as it can sometimes interfere with the installation process. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Step 4 is to clear temporary files. Temporary files can accumulate over time and interfere with new installations. To clear them, open the Run dialog by pressing Win+R, type %temp% and press Enter. This will open the temp folder. Select all files and delete them. Also, clear the files in the C Windows temp folder for good measure. This can help resolve many installation issues. Step 5. Update your operating system and drivers. Step 5 is to ensure your operating system and drivers are up to date. Outdated software and drivers can cause compatibility issues. To check for updates on Windows, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Updating your drivers is just as important. You can use a driver update tool or manually update drivers through the device manager. Keep everything current to avoid conflicts during installation. Step 6. Check for software conflicts. Other installed programs can sometimes interfere with new installations. For example, if you're trying to install a new antivirus program, make sure to uninstall any existing antivirus software first. You can also perform a clean boot to start Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. This can help identify if background applications are causing the issue. Step 7. Re-download the installer. The installation file itself might be corrupted. Visit the official website of the software and download the latest version of the installer. Make sure you're downloading from a trusted source to avoid malware. After downloading, try the installation process again. This simple step can often resolve the problem. Step 8. Use compatibility mode. Step 8 is to use compatibility mode for older programs. If you're trying to install an older software version on a new operating system, it might not be fully compatible. Right-click on the installer, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select an older version of Windows. This can help the installer run smoothly on your current system. And there you have it. These are some of the most effective methods for fixing common program installation errors. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most issues you encounter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.